The key to happiness, as we talked about in the gym, is being grounded in the present. The best way to ground yourself in the present is being grateful. When you express gratitude for whatever, it could be for waking up, it could be for this meeting, it could be for a conversation. When you express gratitude, that is the highest form of vibration, and it roots you in the present. Now, when you're in the present, then you can learn to silence all of that mental chatter. So, when a person sits for meditation, one of the first things you should do is give gratitude, because now it anchors you in your present. And when you're in the present, you can't be affected by the regret of the past, which is depression, or the fear of the unknown future, which is anxiety, because now you're here and now you can go into a meditative state.